Today, I have a really special announcement in this episode that we're going to go over a bunch of details and explain why this Milltek box is sitting next to me. Intro music. Today we're announcing that we are going to be in the Milltek booth. Where are we going? Booth number 24327? We're going to 24327. 24327. Milltek Performance, obviously based out of the UK, has been providing European exhaust and also American exhaust for many years to me. I started using Milltek back in the mid 2000s. Always very high quality. Their sound was great. Never had an issue with drone. No warranty issues. Just a company that I was really confident in using. But I really want to express our thanks and the trust that Milltek has provided to Justin and I and the team here at Label to create something that will bring eyes to their booth. And on this car, we are going to reveal a special project that we're working with Milltek here in Tennessee, creating a one-of-one exhaust system along with running the C8Z06 high flow cats, something that Milltek's never done before.
We have recently developed a Z06 catback. We had developed prior to that the catalytic converters, the downpipe section. This catback is going to be slightly different because it's to fit with the specific Label product. So it's going to enable us to use the new equipment that we just put in our facility, as well as the new employees that we just put in our facility. We've seen what they're capable of so far, but we haven't done a custom project yet. We certainly haven't done anything that needs to be as high caliber as this.
We're proud to be involved in their first stateside bespoke project. I think it's going to be something that's, again, going to change the game, show the capabilities of not only Label, but also what Milltek is investing here in the United States.
We really wanted to partner with someone who held the same values that we did, was truly passionate and excited about what we're doing. And Label gave us the opportunity to use our new USA manufacturing facility to build a project for a car that we're really, really excited about. So it was the perfect partnership.
So our main focus at Milltek Corp in the US is getting into the domestic market. So we really want to work with Label this year because they make some of the most awesome wide-body Corvettes out there. We both make a really incredible product, and together we can make really incredible builds.
The attention to detail and the quality that Label bring to each and every one of their builds means we can create a truly spectacular product, knowing it's going to be shown on a vehicle that is admired by so many different people.
At Milltek, we're really committed to manufacturing and production here in the US, and partnering with a company like Label that is also committed to that and makes a really good product. That's what we want to do.
Project Opsis, I hate to say it, may overtake what we released last year at SEMA, which I thought was pretty epic. And every year I don't feel like we can do better, but this car is going to have elements in it that we've never done before. And we're tackling things that maybe should or shouldn't be done with less than 50 days, but we're gonna go for it anyway. I don't think Justin and I and everybody involved with us know anything more other than pushing ourselves to the boundaries to make sure that we do the best possible job. And I think Milltek's relying on that for us this year.
This year is game changing for us. Up until now, every SEMA that we have been to, we've been showcasing European vehicles, our European manufacturing facility. And whilst we are incredibly proud of what we call the Advanced Manufacturing Centre in England, I am even more proud of what manufacturing facility we're building here in America. This is our first opportunity to speak to people on the ground, be able to explain what we're doing here for the first time ever.
I know there's only 54 days left, but I've made 2 cars in a shorter deadline, so before SEMA there's always going to be last-minute projects, and we'll make it happen.
When it comes to the deadline, no concerns. We trust Label. We know that they're going to be able to get it done, and we know ourselves and our capabilities, and we know that we're going to be able to get it done. I have no concerns.
We also do have some other great partners involved as usual. KPMF coming through in the clutch with our color that we're going to release on this car this year. This color is going to be one of the loudest colors you've ever seen out of a Label car. So that's definitely something that's pushing us out of our typical boundaries and elevating our game as far as, all right, if we're going to do something loud and obnoxious and in your face, can we still do that with some taste? I think we can, and I think the plan for this overall build will show that. Obviously, the guys, David at MV Forged, the MV Forged label collab line, if you guys have not checked those out, which I know they get a lot of exposure already, but go check out MV Forge's website. You've got our label line under there under the collaboration tab. All of our, I think we have 9 designs with MV right now. All can be custom made for any vehicle that you have, and we will be doing a special set, obviously, on this car too with Miltek. So today's episode is mainly just to tell you guys and share the excitement that we have going into SEMA this year at 2025, and for that to get on your calendar as far as make sure you're there. You know, we had a lot of people come to our reveal last year. That was awesome to see that support. This year we hope to see you guys out there again, and I promise you, you won't be let down with this. And I do want to go on a limb and say, I think we're the only C8 C06 wide body. I'm not sure if anybody else is building those. If so, look at both of them. Come see all the differences between our wide body construction and the way we do things and the competitors. I'm not sure if it's competitors or let's just say the other people that do build these cars. In the meantime, you're going to want to subscribe to our channel. You're going to want to watch all of this series updates because we've got a lot of stuff going on. We've got a magician behind the camera that's going to be capturing everything for us this year, including these special announcements. And when we get to SEMA, we've got some really special content and things happening there as well. So stay tuned, subscribe, follow this series because we're going to keep routinely updating things that are going on and also let you guys know some special things that are coming in the future. So who's ready to go on the ride to SEMA? We'll see you guys there.